हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम लोग सीखेंगे इंग्लिश के कन्वर्सेशन। तो पहले मैं एक बार बोलूँगी, उसके पीछे आप बोलना। तो चलो। इज़ इट हॉट टुडे? यस, वेरी हॉट। इज़ इट हॉट टुडे? यस, वेरी हॉट। अगला सेंटेंस, वेयर इज़ योर ब्रदर? ही इज़ एट स्कूल। Where is your brother? He is at school. Next sentence. Do you like breads? Yes, with butter. Do you like bread? Yes, with butter. Next sentence. What is your favorite game? I like crickets. What is your favorite game? I like crickets. Where is the teacher? She in class. Where is the teacher? She's in class. Are you tired today? No, I feel good. Are you tired today? No, I feel good. Next sentence. Where is the restaurant? It's next to the bank. Where is the restaurant? It's next to the bank. What are you watching? I am watching TV. What are you watching? I am watching TV. अगला सेंटेंस पेश किया जाए। Where is the pen? It's on the desk. Where is the pen? It's on the desk. Do you like running? Yes, in the morning. Do you like running? Yes, in the morning. Do you like eggs? Yes, for breakfast. Do you like eggs? Yes, for breakfast. What's your favorite food? I like biryani. What's your favorite foods? I like biryani. Where is your father? He at work. Where is your father? He at work. Do you like singing? Yes, in the shower. Do you like singing? Yes, in the shower. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Follow for more update. Bye bye दोस्तों।